Barkis is willing. Barkis is willing. It's an idiom. It means indicate one's willingness or readiness to do something. That is, one's availability or openness to a situation. If somebody is ready to do something, that is, Barkis is willing. Let's see it in the example. If she is willing to go, tell her that Barkis is willing. If she is willing to go, let her know that I am also willing. That's the reason Barkis is willing. Second one, that sounds like a wonderful trip. Barkis is willing. So the trip seems to be very good. So I also wanted to go. That's the reason Barkis is willing. So I also joined the trip. That's it. Third one, no need to request him. Tell everyone that Barkis is willing. No need to request him. Tell everyone that he is willing. So Barkis is willing. So that particular person who is responsible is willing. The fourth one, are you ready for the race today? Oh yeah, Barkis is willing. Which means yes, I am willing. I am ready. That's it. Fifth one, everyone thought that he will not come, but surprisingly he comes. None knows that Barkis is willing. Nobody knew that he was willing. He was ready. That's the reason everybody was surprised when he came. So Barkis is willing is nothing but ready to do something. So this expression first appeared in Charles Dickens' well-known classic David Copperfield. Barkis is the name of one of the characters in the novel. Barkis keeps sending a message through David to Clara Peggotty, the maid of David's mother. The message that David is to give Clara is Barkis is willing. Barkis is willing. In other words, Barkis is willing to marry Clara. So finally, Barkis is willing is nothing but one's availability or readiness to do something.